Carving turns are one of the best skiing drills that you can do. It's probably the pinnacle if you can find slopes that are wide enough and got not a lot of people on it and really nicely pisted. So again, you can do this on any slope if it's nicely pisted. If it's a green, blue, red, you can do it with an easy blacks as well. But what you want to do here is, once you get to once you get into the parallels, is find a slope that you can go down. You want to point your skis down the fall line. You want your skis a little bit wider sometimes on this one, about hip width apart. You want to go down the fall line, and what you want to think about is rolling your knees into the slope, and you want to feel those edges bite. And as you feel those edges bite, you will find your skis will go either to the left or right. What you don't want to do here is hear the skis slipping. If the skis are slipping and spraying up snow, you're not quite getting the carving. So you have to really sort of try this out. If you do get the carving and you find that you have got a piste, you can look back on the piste and see the turns. If you can see nice S turns with a very little spray, then you've done carving turns. Carving turns are one of the best feelings when you go skiing. It is amazing to do. So primary skill here is all 5 skills here you're going to do: stance and balance, pivoting, you're going to do edging, pressure control and timing, and it's just going to be good. So once you mastered that, you can almost go anywhere in the world at any resort with those drills. It's going to be good for you. I've gone over some drills for you here. There are a lot more drills that you can do. If you go to a ski school, your teacher will have other skills. There are many. There's stuff like penguin turns. You can do stuff with the poles in an X, that you point the X towards the fall line, you keep that still, and your lower body does all the turning. There's loads of things to do, but I've just gone over a few drills that I have used with my clients in the past when I'm teaching them skiing. There is, like I said, there is loads more to do. I want you to enjoy your holiday. These drills will help. Now, if you are going skiing and you want to get stronger and you want to get conditioned, please do not hesitate to give me a bell or give me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. I hope you can hear me because it's a bit windy now, so I hope it's not affecting the sound. If it is, I'm very sorry. I'll try and do the sound better on post-production. So I'm trying to sort of speak a little bit louder, but like I say, I'm at the Kitson Horn, 3,000 meters up high. It is a bit windy, but we have got perfect conditions. Zellamsey is down there. I'll turn around. I don't know if you can see because it's going to be in the sun, but you know, lovely skiing. And all those drills are going to help you when you go away on your ski holiday. So I'm Jason DePaoli here from Edge Strength and Conditioning. I do fit to ski and sharpen your edges programs for skiing. If you like this video, please like and share. Also, please hit the subscribe button, be most appreciated. And I shall see you on another video coming real soon.